How to remove subscribers from your YouTube account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube on your device and then tap on your profile icon on top of your screen. Here you will see the view channel option. Tap on that, and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the customize channel option. Now you will be led to your YouTube studio. So in your YouTube studio, tap on the dashboard option from the left side toolbar, and now scroll down to the recent subscribers tab and then tap on the see all option you see there. Here, go ahead and tap on the date you see there, and in the menu that appears, select the lifetime option. You will then be able to view all your subscribers, so simply tap on the subscriber that you want to remove and you will be led to their profile. So tap on the more option beside their username and you will see the option for report user. Tap on that and then tap on the hide user from my channel option you see there, and with this the user will be removed from your channel. So this was about how you can remove subscribers from your YouTube account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.